How does the corpse flower achieve pollination during its bloom? Imagine a flower so unusual that it smells like rotting flesh and heats up like a tiny furnace. That's the corpse flower, also called Titan Arum, and it has a very clever way of getting pollinated. This plant relies on a mix of visual tricks, smell, and heat to attract its pollinators. And like most flowers that use sweet scents to attract bees or butterflies, the corpse flower emits a strong odor that smells just like decaying meat. This smell draws in insects that naturally look for dead animals to feed on or lay eggs in, like carrion beetles and flesh flies. The flower's large leaf-like structure, called a spathe, opens up to reveal a deep red color. This color makes it look like raw meat, adding to the illusion of carrion. The combination of the foul smell and the meat-like appearance tricks insects into thinking they've found a perfect place to feast or lay eggs. When these insects land on the flower, they pick up pollen from the male part of the flower, called the spadix. One of the most fascinating features of the corpse flower is its ability to produce heat. During its short blooming period, the spadix heats up to over 90 degrees Fahrenheit. This heat helps spread the smell farther and makes the scent more intense, even from a distance. It's like turning on a scent signal that says, "Come here, food is ready." This thermal trick makes it easier for insects to find the flower and helps ensure pollination happens. Timing is also very important. The corpse flower's bloom has two phases. First, the female flowers at the bottom become receptive and wait for visitors. After they close, the male flowers higher up releases pollen the next day. This sequence prevents the flower from self-pollinating and encourages pollen transfer between different flowers. When insects land on the flower, they unknowingly carry pollen from one bloom to another, completing the pollination process. So, the corpse flower's pollination success depends on its ability to mimic rotting meat visually, smell like decaying flesh, produce heat to spread the scent, and time its flower phases perfectly. All these tricks make it one of the most bizarre and fascinating plants in the natural world.